Hi there, this is NikitaNet, and what you see on the desk are, well, two camera bags. And they're not new camera bags, although they look like new, because, well, they are clean, they are cleaned. And that's very important, because you don't want dust, dirt, or stuff like that in your camera bag, because it will get into your camera, scratching your lenses, hurting your sensor. And it's just not nice if that happens. So what I did was very simply, in between washings, yes, these were washed, but in between washings I used a microfiber cloth to, well, get the dust off. Compressed air without any equipment being in here to, well, dust them out, one could say. And when it was bad enough, I used a clean washing machine. Use an empty cycle if needed, or a cycle without any washing stuff in it, to clean the washing machine out, and then put them in low temperature, no or low spin cycle, mild detergent, and if you've only got a tough detergent, use less of it. And you see the result. These are very nice. Now, they are air dried because I don't put them in a dryer, because the dryer is full of lint, and that's the stuff you're trying to get rid of as well. So, mild detergent, low temperature, no or low spin, air dry them, and you'll get basically a new camera bag. And these are several years old. Don't look like that, right? They're clean, they're nice, and I'm very happy. So this is NikitaNet saying, I hope you found this video interesting and have something useful from this video. A little bit of knowledge that a dirty bag does not need to be. You can clean them properly even. This is NikitaNet saying, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.